Hi, I'm John Jeffrey Masibay. Um, I'm a leading hand here in Dandenong Workshop. I've been working in STG for nearly 4 years. They hired me as a boiler maker, and then they give me opportunity to explore out of my comfort zone as a boiler maker. So now they give me a leading hand role here. So my daily rules is just to make sure that all the boys are keep busy, keep going, and then make sure all the parts that we need for daily production is on the list. Then after that, I'm doing some of the paperworks and then update all the progress in our production. And then I'm also handling the pre-production, including mounting before we bring the chassis here in Pakenham. I like working STG here because I feel like home here. We have a Filipino community here in STG, and then sometimes they call it Filipino Mafia. So sometimes we play basketball, yeah, and then if summer, we do like Aussie way, we do camping, and then picnic. And then of course, we can avoid of having karaoke. For me, my mindset about quality is quality comes first because it will reflect on our performance here and then outside. About teamwork, so of course if we have teamwork, it's easier for us to achieve our goal, and then everything will follow if we have a teamwork.